If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Question: a program validates a numeric field as follows: values less than 10 are rejected, values between 10 and 21 are accepted, values greater than or equal to 22 are rejected. Which of the following input values cover all of the equivalence partitions? Option 1 10, 11, 21. Option 2 3, 20, 21. Option 3 3, 10, 22. Option 4 10, 21, 22. Option 5 none. Question: what is the important criterion in deciding what testing technique to use? Option 1, how well do you know a particular technique? Option 2, the objective of the test. Option 3, how appropriate the technique is for testing the application. Option 4, whether there is a tool to support the technique. Option 5, none. Question: which of the following is a static test? Option 1, code inspection. Option 2, coverage analysis. Option 3, usability assessment. Option 4, installation test. Option 5, none. Question: which of the following is not a type of non-functional test? Option 1, state transition. Option 2, usability. Option 3, performance. Option 4, security. Option 5, none. Question: which of the following statements is true? Option 1, faults in program specifications are the most expensive to fix. Option 2, faults in code are the most expensive to fix. Option 3, faults in requirements are the most expensive to fix. Option 4, faults in designs are the most expensive to fix. Option 5, none. Question: increasing the quality of the software, through better development methods, will affect the time needed for testing, the test phases, by Option 1, reducing test time. Option 2, no change. Option 3, increasing test time. Option 4, can't say. Option 5, none. Question: the inputs for developing a test plan are taken from Option 1, project plan. Option 2, business plan. Option 3, support plan. Option 4, none of the above. Option 5, none. Question: to test a function, the programmer has to write a underscore 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 underscore, which calls the function and passes it the test data. Option 1, stub. Option 2, driver. Option 3, proxy. Option 4, none of the above. Option 5, none. Question: which of the following is not a static testing technique? Option 1, error guessing. Option 2, walkthrough. Option 3, data flow analysis. Option 4, inspections. Option 5, none. Question: which of the following statements about component testing is not true? Option 1, component testing should be performed by a development. Option 2 component testing is also known as isolation or module testing. Option 3 component testing should have completion criteria planned. Option 4 component testing does not involve regression testing. Option 5 none. Question: inspections can find all the following except Option 1 variables not defined in the code. Option 2 spelling and grammar faults in the documents. Option 3 requirements that have been omitted from the design documents. Option 4 how much of the code has been covered. Option 5 none. Question: which of the following is not a characteristic for testability? Option 1 operability. Option 2 observability. Option 3 simplicity. Option 4 robustness. Option 5 none. Question: software testing accounts for what % of software development costs? Option 1 10 to 20. Option 2 40 to 50. Option 3 70 to 80. Option 4 5 to 10. Option 5 none. Question: equivalence partitioning is Option 1 a black box testing technique used only by developers. Option 2 a black box testing technique that can only be used during system testing. Option 3 a black box testing technique appropriate to all levels of testing. Option 4 a white box testing technique appropriate for component testing. Option 5 none. Question: if an expected result is not specified then Option 1 we cannot run the test. Option 2 it may be difficult to repeat the test. Option 3 it may be difficult to determine if the test has passed or failed. Option 4 we cannot automate the user inputs. Option 5 none. Question: how much testing is enough? Option 1 this question is impossible to answer. Option 2 the answer depends on the risks for your industry, contract, and special requirements. Option 3 the answer depends on the maturity of your developers. Option 4 the answer should be standardized for the software development industry. Option 5 none. Question: the purpose of requirement phase is Option 1 to freeze requirements. Option 2 to understand user needs. Option 3 to define the scope of testing. Option 4 all of the above. Option 5 none. Question: which of these can be successfully tested using loop testing methodology? Option 1 simple loop. Option 2 nested loop. Option 3 concatenated loop. Option 4 all of the above. Option 5 none. Question: cyclomatic complexity method comes under which testing method? Option 1 white box. Option 2 black box. Option 3 green box. Option 4 yellow box. Option 5 none. Question: A reliable system will be one that. Option 1 is unlikely to be completed on schedule. Option 2 is unlikely to cause a failure. Option 3 is likely to be fault-free. Option 4 is likely to be liked by the users. Option 5 none. Question, which, in general, is the least required skill of a good tester? Option 1 being diplomatic. Option 2 able to write software. Option 3 having good attention to detail. Option 4 able to be relied on. Option 5 none. Question, a regression test. Option 1 will always be automated. Option 2 will help ensure unchanged areas of the software have not been affected. Option 3 will help ensure changed areas of the software have not been affected. Option 4 can only be run during user acceptance testing. Option 5 none. Question, function/test matrix is a type of. Option 1 interim test report. Option 2 final test report. Option 3 project status report. Option 4 management report. Option 5 none. Question, the process starting with the terminal modules is called. Option 1 top-down integration. Option 2 bottom-up integration. Option 3 none of the above. Option 4 module integration. Option 5 none. Question, verification is. Option 1 checking that we are building the right system. Option 2 checking that we are building the system right. Option 3 performed by an independent test team. Option 4 making sure that it is what the user really wants. Option 5 none. Question, the difference between retesting and regression testing is. Option 1 retesting is running a test again, regression testing looks for unexpected side effects. Option 2 retesting looks for unexpected side effects, regression testing is repeating those tests. Option 3 retesting is done after faults are fixed, regression testing is done earlier. Option 4 retesting uses different environments, regression testing uses the same environment. Option 5 retesting is done by developers, regression testing is done by independent testers. Question, testing should be stopped when. Option 1 all the planned tests have been run. Option 2 time has run out. Option 3 all faults have been fixed correctly. Option 4 both A and C. Option 5 it depends on the risks for the system being tested. Question, which of the following is the main purpose of the integration strategy for integration testing in the small? Option 1 to ensure that all of the small modules are tested adequately. Option 2 to ensure that the system interfaces to other systems and networks. Option 3 to specify which modules to combine when and how many at once. Option 4 to ensure that the integration testing can be performed by a small team. Option 5 to specify how the software should be divided into modules. Question, which of the following is not part of configuration management? Option 1 Status accounting of configuration items. Option 2 Auditing conformance to ISO 9001. Option 3 Identification of test versions. Option 4 Record of changes to documentation over time. Option 5 Controlled library access. Question: regression testing should be performed, v every week w. After the software has changed x. As often as possible y. When the environment has changed z. When the project manager says. Option 1 v and w are true, x, z are false. Option 2 w, x and y are true, v and z are false. Option 3 w and y are true, v, x and z are false. Option 4 w is true, v, x, y, and z are false. Option 5 all of the above are true. Question: a tool that supports traceability, recording of incidents, or scheduling of tests is called. Option 1 a dynamic analysis tool. Option 2 a test execution tool. Option 3 a debugging tool. Option 4 a test management tool. Option 5 a configuration management tool. Question: the cost of fixing a fault. Option 1 is not important. Option 2 increases as we move the product towards live use. Option 3 decreases as we move the product towards live use. Option 4 is more expensive if found in requirements than functional design. Option 5 can never be determined. Question: order numbers on a stock control system can range between 10,000 and 99,999 inclusive. Which of the following inputs might be a result of designing tests for only valid equivalence classes and valid boundaries? Option 1 1000, 5000, 99,999. Option 2 9,999, 50,000, 100,000. Option 3 10,000, 50,000, 99,999. Option 4 10,000, 99,999. Option 5 9,999, 10,000, 50,000, 99,999, 10,000. Question: when what is visible to end users is a deviation from the specific or expected behavior, this is called. Option 1 an error. Option 2 a fault. Option 3 a failure. Option 4 a defect. Option 5 a mistake. Question: which expression best matches the following characteristics or review processes? 1 led by author. 2 undocumented. 3 no management participation. 4 led by a trained moderator or leader. 5 uses entry-exit criteria. S inspection. T peer review. U informal review. V walkthrough. Option 1 S equals 4, T equals 3, U equals 2 and 5, V equals 1. Option 2 S equals 4 and 5, T equals 3, U equals 2, V equals 1. Option 3 S equals 1 and 5, T equals 3, U equals 2, V equals 4. Option 4 S equals 5, T equals 4, U equals 3, V equals 1 and 2. Option 5 S equals 4 and 5, T equals 1, U equals 2, V equals 3. Question: given the following, switch PC on Start Outlook. If Outlook appears, then send an email. Close Outlook. Option 1 1 test for statement coverage, 1 for branch coverage. Option 2 1 test for statement coverage, 2 for branch coverage. Option 3 1 test for statement coverage, 3 for branch coverage. Option 4 2 tests for statement coverage, 2 for branch coverage. Option 5 2 tests for statement coverage, 3 for branch coverage. Question: Test managers should not. Option 1 report on deviations from the project plan. Option 2 sign the system off for release. Option 3 reallocate resource to meet original plans. Option 4 raise incidents on faults that they have found. Option 5 provide information for risk analysis and quality improvement. Question: Which of the following is not part of system testing? Option 1 business process-based testing. Option 2 performance, load, and stress testing. Option 3 requirements-based testing. Option 4 usability testing. Option 5 top-down integration testing. Question: When a new testing tool is purchased, it should be used first by Option 1 a small team to establish the best way to use the tool. Option 2 everyone who may eventually have some use for the tool. Option 3 the independent testing team. Option 4 the managers to see what projects it should be used in. Option 5 the vendor contractor to write the initial scripts. Question: Which of the following is not part of performance testing? Option 1 measuring response time. Option 2 measuring transaction rates. Option 3 recovery testing. Option 4 simulating many users. Option 5 generating many transactions. Question: What is the purpose of test completion criteria in a test plan? Option 1 to know when a specific test has finished its execution. Option 2 to ensure that the test case specification is complete. Option 3 to set the criteria used in generating test inputs. Option 4 to know when test planning is complete. Option 5 to plan when to stop testing. Question: Given the following code, which is true, if A B then C equals A, B else C equals A plus B and diff read D if C equals D then print error and diff. Option 1 1 test for statement coverage, 3 for branch coverage. Option 2 2 tests for statement coverage, 2 for branch coverage. Option 3 2 tests for statement coverage, 3 for branch coverage. Option 4 3 tests for statement coverage, 3 for branch coverage. Option 5 3 tests for statement coverage, 2 for branch coverage. Question: Unreachable code would best be found using Option 1 code reviews. Option 2 code inspections. Option 3 a coverage tool. Option 4 a test management tool. Option 5 a static analysis tool. Question: What information need not be included in a test incident report? Option 1 how to fix the fault. Option 2 how to reproduce the fault. Option 3 test environment details. Option 4 severity, priority. Option 5 the actual and expected outcomes. Question: which of the following is not included in the test plan document of the test documentation standard? Option 1: test items, i.e. software versions. Option 2: what is not to be tested. Option 3: test environments. Option 4: quality plans. Option 5: schedules and deadlines. Question: IEEE 829 test plan documentation standard contains all of the following except Option 1: test items. Option 2: test deliverables. Option 3: test tasks. Option 4: test environment. Option 5: test specification. Question: if the temperature falls below 18 degrees, the heating is switched on. When the temperature reaches 21 degrees, the heating is switched off. What is the minimum set of test input values to cover all valid equivalence partitions? Option 1: 15, 19, 25. Option 2: 17, 18, 20. Option 3: 18, 20, 22. Option 4: 16, 26, 0. Option 5: none. Question: for the following program, how many test cases are needed to achieve 100% decision coverage? If P equals Q, S equals S plus 1, if S5, T equals 10, Certification QA's International Software Testing Qualifications Board, ISQTB, 15 Copyright 2022, ZaranTech LLC. All rights reserved else if PQ, T equals 5. Option 1: 3. Option 2: 6. Option 3: 5. Option 4: 4. Option 5: none. Question: assume postal rates for light letters are 25 cents up to 10 G, 35 cents up to 50 G, 45 cents up to 75 G, 55 cents up to 100 G. Which test inputs, in grams, would be selected using boundary value analysis? Option 1: 0, 9, 19, 49, 50, 74, 75, 99, 100. Option 2: 10, 50, 75, 100, 200, and 50, 1000. Option 3: 0, 1, 10, 11, 50, 51, 75, 76, 100, 100, and 1. Option 4: 25, 26, 36, 36, 45, 46, 55, 56. Option 5: none. Question: look at the following figure, 3 tests have been run. Test 1, gold card holder who gets upgrade to business class. Test 2, non-gold card holder who stays in economy. Test 3, a person who is bumped from the flight. What is the statement coverage of these 3 tests? Option 1: 0.6. Option 2: 0.7. Option 3: 0.8. Option 4: 0.9. Option 5: none. Question: an employee has $4,000 of salary tax-free. The next $1,500 is taxed at 10%. The next $28,000 is taxed at 22%. Any further amount is taxed at 40%. Which of these groups of numbers will fall in the same equivalence class? Option 1, $4,800, $14,000, $28,000. Option 2, $5,200, $5,500, $28,000. Option 3, $28,001, $32,000, $35,000. Option 4, $5,800, $28,000, $32,000. Option 5, none. Question: for the state diagram shown, which test cases below covers every valid transition? Option 1, SSS1, S2, S4, S1, S3, ES. Option 2, SSS1, S2, S3, S4, S3, S4, ES. Option 3, SSS1, S2, S4, S1, S3, S4, S1, S3, ES. Option 4, SSS1, S4, S2, S1, S3, ES. Option 5, none. Question: how many test cases are needed to achieve 100% statement coverage? If temp 0 or temp 100, alert, danger; if speed 100 and load equals 50, speed equals 50, else check equals false. Option 1, 5. Option 2, 4. Option 3, 2. Option 4, 3. Option 5, none. Question: which set of test data demonstrates equivalence partitioning to check whether a customer is a teenager or not? Option 1, 10, 15, 19. Option 2, 13, 19, 25. Option 3, 13, 16, 19. Option 4, 8, 17, 26. Option 5, none. Question: based on the error guessing test design technique, which of the following will a tester most likely test in calendar software? I, first two letters of the month, e.g. Ma can represent March or May. 2, first letter of the day, e.g. T can mean Tuesday or Thursday. 3, leap year. 4, number of days of the month. V, 3-digit days and months. Option 1, I, 2, 4, V. Option 2, 3, 4. Option 3, I, 2, 3, 4. Option 4, I, 2, V. Option 5, none. Question: for the state transition diagram shown below, which test suite will check for an invalid transition? Option 1, S0, S1, S2, S3, S1, S4. Option 2, S0, S1, S4, S1, S2, S3. Option 3, S0, S1, S3, S1, S2, S1. Option 4, S0, S1, S2, S3, S1, S2. Option 5, none. Question: an input field takes the year of birth between 1900 and 2004. Which set of test cases demonstrates three-value boundary value analysis? Option 1, 0, 1900, 2004, 2005, 1903, 1904. Option 2, 1900, 2008, 2009, 2010, 1901, 2005. Option 3, 1899, 1900, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. Option 4 1899, 1900, 1901, 2003, 2004, 2005. Option 5 none. Question: for the program below, the cyclomatic complexity will be, if Zx then statement 1, else if x equals y then statement 2, and Option 1 3. Option 2 2. Option 3 4. Option 4 5. Option 5 none. Question: one of the fields in a customer online form accepts the numeric values between 18 and 25. Amongst the options given, identify the invalid equivalence class. Option 1 17. Option 2 19. Option 3 20. Option 4 21. Option 5 none. Question: order numbers on a stock system can range from 10,000 to 99,999. What are the test inputs for valid equivalence class and valid boundary value analysis? Option 1 9,999, 50,000, 100,000. Option 2 10,000, 99,999, 100,000. Option 3 1,000, 50,000, 99,999. Option 4 10,000, 50,000, 99,999. Option 5 none. Question: one of the fields on a form accepts alphabets in lower and uppercase. Identify the invalid equivalence class value. Option 1 class. Option 2 class. Option 3 class. Option 4 CL0SS. Option 5 none. Question: in the following program, how many minimum test cases are required for 100% statement coverage and 100% branch coverage? Read A. Read B. If A plus B greater than 100 then print large and div. If A 50 then print P large and div. Option 1 statement coverage 2, branch coverage 2. Option 2 statement coverage 1, branch coverage 3. Option 3 statement coverage 1, branch coverage 2. Option 4 statement coverage 4, branch coverage 2. Option 5 none. Question: for the program below, how many test cases are required in order to achieve 100% statement coverage and 100% branch coverage? If A equals 2 then display underscore message X, if B equals 5 then display underscore message Y, else display underscore message Z, else display message Z. Option 1 statement coverage 4, branch coverage 3. Option 2 statement coverage 2, branch coverage 3. Option 3 statement coverage 3, branch coverage 3. Option 4 statement coverage 3, branch coverage 2. Option 5 none. Question: a program selects the values in the range 10 and 21. Rest all values are rejected. Which of the following covers all of the boundary values? Option 1 9, 10, 21, 22. Option 2 10, 11, 21, 22. Option 3 9, 11, 15, 25. Option 4 8, 10, 19, 21. Option 5 none. Question, using the same data as in example 20, determine the test input values that cover all of the equivalence classes. Option 1 8, 15, 22. Option 2 9, 10, 11. Option 3 10, 21, 26. Option 4 3, 10, 21. Option 5 none. Question, a person's age must be between 1 and 99. Identify the test inputs that cover all boundary values. Option 1 0, 1, 99, 100. Option 2 0, 3, 99, 100, and 4. Option 3 1, 4, 78, 99. Option 4 1, 99, 100, 98. Option 5 none. Question, calculate the cyclomatic complexity for the program below. If A equals 200, then if B C, then A equals B, else A equals C, and diff. Option 1 3. Option 2 4. Option 3 2. Option 4 1. Option 5 none. Question, consider the following scenario, pick up and read the newspaper. Look at what is on the television. If there is a program you are interested in, then watch the program. Otherwise, continue reading the newspaper. If there is crossword in the newspaper, then complete the crossword. What are the minimum number of test cases required to achieve 100% statement coverage, SC, and 100% decision coverage, BC? Option 1 SC equals 1, DC equals 2. Option 2 SC equals 1, DC equals 1. Option 3 SC equals 1, DC equals 3. Option 4 SC equals 2, DC equals 2. Option 5 SC equals 2, DC equals 3. Question, for the program below, calculate the test cases needed to achieve 100% branch coverage. If A equals A plus 1, else B equals B plus 1, while AB, Y equals X asterisk Y, X equals X plus 1. Option 1 4. Option 2 3. Option 3 2. Option 4 1. Option 5 none. Question, for a 40 questions examination, a candidate should score minimum of 25 marks for passing and need a minimum of 32 marks to get distinction. The maximum he can score is 40. What are the test inputs that fall under the same equivalence class? Option 1 24, 32, 33. Option 2 20, 27, 33. Option 3 25, 32, 20. Option 4 32, 37, 40. Option 5 none. Question: which set of test data demonstrates three value boundary values to check whether a customer is teenager or not? Option 1 12, 13, 14, 18, 19, 20. Option 2 12, 13, 19, 20, 24. Option 3 10, 11, 13, 20, 21. Option 4 12, 13, 14, 15, 20. Option 5 none. Question: if you are less than 18, then you are too young to get insured. If your age is between 18 and 30, then you will receive a 20% discount. Anyone above 30 is not eligible for the discount. Which of the following test inputs cover all the equivalence classes? Option 1 19, 18, 30. Option 2 16, 18, 28. Option 3 15, 27, 32. Option 4 17, 31, 35. Option 5 none. Question: one of the fields on a form accepts the username as an alphanumeric value. Identify the test inputs that cover valid equivalence class. Option 1 blanket. Option 2 blanket. Option 3 blanket. Option 4 bla07 et. Option 5 none. Question: how many test cases are needed to achieve 100% condition coverage? If temp 0 or temp 100, alert, danger. If speed 100 and load equals 50, speed equals 50. Certification QA's International Software Testing Qualifications Board, ISQTB, 28 Copyright 2022, ZaranTech LLC. All rights reserved, else check equals false. Option 1 4. Option 2 3. Option 3 5. Option 4 2. Option 5 none. Question: using the state diagram below, which test suite will uncover invalid state transition for the employee status reporting software? Option 1 S1 S2 S5 S2 S3 S7. Option 2 S1 S2 S4 S2 S5 S6. Option 3 S1 S2 S6 S2 S4 S7. Option 4 S1 S2 S4 S2 S6 S2. Option 5 none. Question: for the program below, the cyclomatic complexity will be, if age 30, display underscore message you are too young, else if 30 equals age equals 100, display underscore message you are old, else display underscore message you are too old. Option 1 3. Option 2 4. Option 3 5. Option 4 2. Option 5 none. Question: an employee has £4,000 of salary tax-free. The next £1,500 is taxed at 10%, the next £28,000 is taxed at 22%, any further amount is taxed at 40% to the nearest whole pound. Which of these is a valid boundary value analysis test case? Option 1 £1,500. Option 2 £32,001. Option 3 £33,501. Option 4 £28,000. Option 5 none. Question, for the program below, how many minimum test cases are needed to achieve 100% statement coverage, SC, and 100% branch coverage, BC? If A B then C equals A, B else C equals A plus B and diff read D. If C equals D then print error and diff. Option 1 test for statement coverage, 3 for branch coverage. Option 2 tests for statement coverage, 2 for branch coverage. Option 3 2 tests for statement coverage, 3 for branch coverage. Option 4 3 tests for statement coverage, 3 for branch coverage. Option 5 3 tests for statement coverage, 2 for branch coverage. Question, for the program below, the cyclomatic complexity will be Option 1 2, Option 2 3, Option 3 4, Option 4 1, Option 5 none. Question, for the program below, how many test cases are needed to achieve 100% statement coverage? If fuel tank is empty, if petrol engine, fill the tank with petrol, else fill the tank with petrol and diff, else and diff. Option 1 2, Option 2 4, Option 3 3, Option 4 1, Option 5 none. Question, if you take the train before 9:30 a.m. or in the afternoon after 4 p.m. until 7:30 p.m., you must pay full fare. A saver ticket is available for trains between 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. and after 7:30 p.m. What are the test inputs that cover all the valid and invalid boundary values? Option 1 9:29 a.m., 9:30 a.m., 4 p.m., 4:01 p.m., 7:30 p.m., 7:31 p.m. Option 2 7 a.m., 9:30 a.m., 9:31 a.m., 4 p.m., 7 p.m., 7:35 p.m. Option 3 9:30 a.m., 9:31 a.m., 9:32 a.m., 7:30 p.m., 7:31 p.m., 7:32 a.m. Option 4 4 p.m., 7 p.m., 4:01 p.m., 7:30 p.m., 8 a.m., 8 p.m. Option 5 none. Question, postal rates for light letters are 30p up to 20G, 40p up to 50G plus an extra 30p for each additional 20G up to 110G. Which test inputs would be selected using equivalence partitioning? Option 1 4, 24, 58, 79, 100, 100, and 58. Option 2 5, 51, 57, 74, 90, 100, and 10. Option 3 21, 22, 50, 51, 90, 91. Option 4 1, 91, 100, and 10, 111, 20, 90. Option 5 none. Question, consider the following decision table. Given this decision table for car rental, what is the expected result for the following test cases? Test 1, a 30-year-old tourist with bad driving record. Test 2, a 20-year-old tourist with clean driving record. Test 3, a 50-year-old on business and with a clean driving record. Option 1 Test 1, don't supply car. Test 2, supply car with premium charge. Test 3, supply car with premium charge. Option 2 Test 1, don't supply a car. Test 2, don't supply a car. Test 3, supply a car with premium charge. Option 3 Test 1, supply a car with no premium charge, test 2, supply a car with a premium charge, T3, supply a car with no premium charge. Option 4 test 1, don't supply a car, test 2, supply a car with no premium charge, test 3, don't supply a car. Option 5 none. Question, for the program below, how many test cases are needed to achieve 100% statement, SC, and 100% decision coverage, DC? If x y if x z add x to a else add x to b and diff else add x to c and diff. Option 1 SC equals 1, DC equals 3. Option 2 SC equals 2, DC equals 2. Option 3 SC equals 3, DC equals 3. Option 4 SC equals 3, DC equals 2. Option 5 none. Question, the number of links/edges in a graph are 8, the number of nodes are 7, and the number of disconnected parts of the graph is none. From the information given, calculate the cyclomatic complexity. Option 1 4. Option 2 5. Option 3 3. Option 4 2. Option 5 none. Question, given this decision table, what is the expected result for the following test cases? TC1, a SkyMile Platinum member. TC2, a SkyMile member with no Silver/Gold/Platinum status. TC3, a non-SkyMile member. Option 1 TC1, offer upgrade, offer free snacks and a free lunch/dinner. TC2, don't offer upgrade, offer free snacks, don't offer free lunch/dinner. TC3, don't offer upgrade, free snacks and free lunch/dinner. Option 2 TC1, don't offer upgrade, offer free snacks and a free lunch/dinner. TC2, don't offer upgrade, offer free snacks, don't offer free lunch/dinner. TC3 offer upgrade, free snacks and don't offer free lunch/dinner. Option 3 TC1, offer upgrade, don't free snacks and a free lunch/dinner. TC2, don't offer upgrade, don't offer free snacks, offer free lunch/dinner. TC3, don't offer upgrade, free snacks and free lunch/dinner. Option 4 TC1, don't offer upgrade, offer free snacks and a free lunch/dinner. TC2, don't offer upgrade, offer free snacks, and offer free lunch/dinner. TC3, offer upgrade, free snacks and free lunch/dinner. Option 5 none. Question, for the program below, calculate the number of test cases required to achieve 100% statement, SC, and decision coverage, DC? If age 18 display the message you are not eligible for getting the permanent license, else display the message you are eligible for getting a permanent license and diff. Option 1 SC equals 1, DC equals 2. Option 2 SC equals 2, DC equals 1. Option 3 SC equals 2, DC equals 2. Option 4 SC equals 1, DC equals 1. Option 5 none. Question, one of the fields in a customer online form accepts the numeric values between 18 and 25. Amongst the options given, identify the valid equivalence and valid boundary classes. Option 1 13, 18, 25. Option 2 20, 18, 21. Option 3 20, 18, 25. Option 4 20, 24, 25. Option 5 none. Question, a person's age must be between 1 and 99. Identify the test inputs that cover all the equivalence classes. Option 1 99, 100. Option 2 1, 98. Option 3 1, 87, 110. Option 4 10, 99, 98. Option 5 none. Question, for a 50 questions examination, a candidate should score minimum of 30 marks for passing and need a minimum of 45 marks to get distinction. The maximum he can score is 50. What are the test inputs that cover all the boundary values? Option 1 29, 30, 44, 45. Option 2 30, 31, 44, 45. Option 3 28, 29, 45, 46. Option 4 30, 33, 43, 40. Option 5 none. Question, consider the following decision table. Given this decision table, what is the expected result for the following test cases? TC1, a 35-year-old married man staying in Chicago, US. TC2, a 62-year-old married woman and staying in Mumbai, India. TC3, a 30-year-old bachelor residing in Atlanta, US. Option 1 TC1, issue membership and offer 10% discount. TC2, don't issue membership and offer 10% discount. TC3, don't offer membership and 10% discount as well. Option 2 TC1, issue membership but don't offer 10% discount. TC2, don't issue membership and 10% discount as well. TC3, issue membership and 10% as well. Option 3 TC1, issue membership but don't offer 10% discount. TC2, issue membership and 10% discount. TC3, don't issue membership but may get 10% discount. Option 4 TC1, issue membership and 10% discount. TC2, don't issue membership but offer 10% discount. TC3, may be issued a membership but definitely will not get a 10% discount. Option 5 none. Question, for the program below, how many test cases are needed in order to achieve 100% statement coverage? While A equals 100 if A10 A equals A caret 2 and if A plus plus and while. Option 1 1. Option 2 3. Option 3 2. Option 4 4. Option 5 none. Question, for the program below, calculate the number of test cases needed to achieve 100% statement, SC, and 100% decision coverage, DC. Do if x10 x equals x asterisk 4 and if x equals x plus 1 until x greater than 40. Option 1 SC equals 1, DC equals 1. Option 2 SC equals 2, DC equals 2. Option 3 SC equals 1, DC equals 2. Option 4 SC equals 2, DC equals 1. Option 5 none. Question, a savings account in a bank earns a different rate of interest depending upon the balance in the account. A balance in the range between $0 and $100 has 3% interest rate, a balance over $100 and up to $1,000 has a 5% interest rate, and all balance above $1,000 gets an 8% interest rate. Determine the test inputs that cover all the valid and invalid equivalence classes. Option 1 $3.00, $89, $988, $1,010. Option 2 $1.00, $0, $100, $101. Option 3 $10, $100, $1,000, $999. Option 4 $1,000, $999, $10, $2.00. Option 5 none. Question: in the example 48, determine the test inputs that cover all the boundary values. Option 1 $0, $1, $100, $102, $103, $1,001. Option 2 $1.00, $0, $100, $101, $1,000, $1,001. Option 3 $2.00, $0, $1, $100, $101, $102, $1,000. Option 4 $10.00, $0, $99, $102, $999, $1,000. Option 5 none. Question: from the flowchart below, calculate the cyclomatic complexity. Option 1 1. Option 2 2. Option 3 3. Option 4 4. Option 5 none. Question: postal rates for light letters are 25p up to 10g, 35p up to 50g plus an extra 10p for each additional 25g up to 100g. Which test inputs, in grams, would be selected using equivalence partitioning? Option 1 8, 42, 82, 100, and 2. Option 2 4, 15, 65, 92, 100, and 59. Option 3 10, 50, 75, 100. Option 4 5, 20, 40, 60, 80. Option 5 none. Question: analyze the following procedure. System: what type of ticket do you require, single or return? If the customer wants return system, what rate, standard or cheap day? If the customer replies cheap day system, the cheap day rate is $11:20. Else system, the standard rate is $19:50. And if else system, one-way ticket rate is $9:75. And if now decide the minimum number of tests that are needed to ensure that all the questions have been asked, all combinations have occurred and all replies given. Option 1 3. Option 2 4. Option 3 5. Option 4 6. Option 5 none.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.